Do you hear that? That's the sound of big opportunities calling, and today we're diving into this world to uncover where the treasures are hidden. Hello there, Evie here. It's time to explore 3 effective ways to invest. We'll get up close with one of them and aim to break the 6,000 level. This is my favorite method, the one that helped me buy a Mercedes and a house for my family. Turn up YouTube, grab your favorite drink, and focus. Let's get started. Method 1. Trading. I'm not going to beat around the bush. Trading is my favorite way to invest. I'm gonna show you how it works step by step. Alright, I have very basic settings here. Investment amount 50, trade time frame 1 minute, assets 2 currency pairs and 2 stocks. Today's indicators are going to be ZigZag and SuperTrend. ZigZag depth parameter is gonna be at 5. And we're gonna set SuperTrend multiplier to 2. Alright, we're all set now. Camera rolling and action! Let's see what we have here. Everything points to a downward movement. Why? Here are 2 reasons. The red SuperTrend line is sharply pointing downwards. The bearish candles on the chart are longer and more powerful, which means that sellers, aka bears, are currently in control. Let's look at the chart and see if my predictions is correct. Not bad, right? I share all the tricks of this investment method on my Telegram channel. I've been trading for over 8 years, starting when I was just 20. Now, with my win rate at 88.9%, I consider myself a good trader. A couple of years ago, I decided to support beginner investors and traders by sharing my experience and knowledge. That's why I created my Telegram channel, which now has over 14,000 members. On the channel, I explain how to invest wisely in trading, how to use the platform, and which indicators suit well for beginners. To ensure everyone has a positive experience, I host live sessions and share my trades in real time. My subscribers simply follow my entry points and make around 650 per session. Want to trade with an experienced trader? Join us. Click the first link in the description or the first pinned comment to join the channel. And the good news is that the access to our Telegram channel is free for the next few days. Don't miss out. Let's see what we have here. Everything points to an uptrend. Let's test it out. The situation is quite clear. Both indicators suggest that the upward movement will continue. Additionally, the bullish candles on the chart are much stronger than the bearish ones, indicating the current trend's strength. Now you see why I love this investment method so much. I'm sure you do. Now we have the Cisco stock chart in front of us. I'm adjusting over here and expecting Cisco to increase. Again, the indicators suggest that the trend will continue. The candles show that the buyers have the upper hand here. Remember, in this market, we don't benefit from the difference between buying and selling. Like with stocks, we grow our deposit if we choose the correct asset movement direction. Why am I smiling? Because why not? I've worked hard and learned a lot, and now I'm reaping the rewards. Alright, let's talk about other investment options. Option 2. Buying digital currency. Yup, it's true. If you look at the charts of different digital currencies, you'll see they've shown some crazy growth historically. But predicting if this will happen again is tough. Plus, they aren't backed by anything, unlike government currencies that we use to buy groceries. When I work with assets backed by something real, I can be confident that any drop is temporary, and I can predict their movement with technical analysis. Imagine having access to this type of support. This is an amazing opportunity to grasp trading concepts and trade with the guidance of a skilled expert. By subscribing to my Telegram channel, you can join live sessions where you'll receive insights on achieving results just like mine. With 8 years of trading experience, in our last session alone, my subscribers and I collectively made about 648,000. I'm deeply touched by the gratitude I receive from our community. Some have shared how they've been able to support their parents, buy their dream car. One guy has finally been able to pursue education. Isn't that incredible? Don't miss out. Join our community now while it's completely free. Click the link in the video description or the first pinned message. Okay, now let's talk about investment method 3. Buying shares. It is a classic option that is quite popular, but let's be honest, it's a little outdated. Shares can bring good returns in 2 scenarios. If you buy a huge block of shares in a company that pays regular dividends, or if you get lucky and buy shares at a low price that increase over time. It's a good option for those who have the capital and the patience to wait for returns. However, you are not likely to achieve significant results with a small capital. Of course, you could invest 1,000 and wait for 10 years, but it requires considerable patience. Trading, on the other hand, honestly, maybe I love trading so much simply because I'm good at it. But take a look. For instance, trade number 4. Next up, we have Intel. I'm looking at the chart and going short. The candle hit the resistance level, it couldn't break last time, and it looks like it won't break through this time either. That's it! Trading allows me to act decisively without waiting for weeks, months, or years for results. Moving on, and here I see that in the near future we should expect a drop. Buyers couldn't breach the resistance level on their second attempt, and SuperTrend shows no upward movement either, which means a price drop is inevitable. Well done, Evie! Well done! And you avoid the wild volatility of those trendy digital currencies. This market feels way safer, if you ask me. Cisco shares. Here we go for an upward movement. The chart is nearing the resistance level, where a breakthrough attempt typically occurs in 99% of cases. Another perfect forecast, thanks to technical analysis. No wild guessing. The Canadian dollar and the Japanese yen. I'm boosting my investment to 2,500, hitting the lower button. There is a strong downward trend here, and both indicators agree it would continue. By the way, the maximum investment amount of 2,500 ensures my funds are well protected in the final trades of the session. Let's proceed to the last trade. Intel chart goes for an upward direction. ZigZag shows that the candle has hit a local minimum and it's going up. A beautiful close to the final trade, and today I reached 6,804. Who remembers where I started trading today? I believe there is no doubt left that trading is the most effective method of investing. I'm looking forward to seeing you on our Telegram channel. Feel free to ask me any questions, suggest trading scenarios for analysis, and learn advanced strategies. Join our community and trade with us. You can achieve the same results as my subscribers and I. Simply subscribe to the channel via the link and send me a direct message. You'll find the links below the video in the comments. That's all for today. Bye-bye.